Nia is round, sexy, and minimalistic, but not without cause. Nia's cylindrical shape adds to the overall strength and stability compared to conventional box-shaped printers. We know that desktop real estate is crucial. That's why Nia's footprint to build volume is unmatched. We like to say, if you got room for a lamp, you got room for a Nia. Out of the box, Nia is ready to print with easy-to-use, feature-rich software and our very own Cool Spool filament cartridge. However, feel free to use any open-source software and third-party filament that is compatible. Nia will give you the print quality and speed of an expensive machine, but at a much more affordable price. But don't let the prices fool you. Nia is made smart, not cheap. Our printers are designed, manufactured, and assembled right here in North America, using only high-end electronic components and hardware. And in order to be future-ready, Nia is modular. Once upgrades are available, easily swap out the standard components for future innovations that are already in the works. Don't be left behind with an obsolete unit. It's the best of both worlds. Beautiful like a Mac, whoa, but upgradable like a PC. Moving on. Neat Stuff is our online community where users can download, share, and market their creations. Our goal is to make 3D printing more accessible and friendly, which is why Neat Stuff will also include Nia-specific video tutorials and educational tools.
I just got the TOUCHjet WAVE. It turned my TV into a smart touchscreen that can do pretty much anything. Bam! Stream any movie. You can download any app from the Google Play right onto the Wave. You can check sports, news, social media, listen to music, search for things, learn stuff, control your home, and play all your favorite games. Only much bigger and better.
We're going to take a look at the Spectre project next.
People in our office love it. It gets them out of their chairs, collaborating like never before.
Windows to the south side of
The Wave also has a mobile app.
It's a great idea. Amy, can we pull up the window tree?
You can swipe files, photos, and videos from your handheld device right to the TV. And no need to sweat compatibility issues. Any Android or Apple device will do. It's super easy to use and gets kids playing together in a whole new way.
I think it's Uncle Andy's turn.
I think your parents want you to play something a little more educational anyway.
Navigate right from your phone. You'll be amazed at how quickly it changes your world. Friends, office, family, the TOUCHjet WAVE brings people together in any situation.
Sometimes we want to be in two places at once to have more time for true values. Imagine that a single device will bring more comfort, safety, and happiness into your life. Branto is a streamlined wireless device that offers a wide range of functions, right from the box. Finally, your loved ones living thousands of miles away can be as close to you as if you were sitting next to each other. Unique 360 rotating full HD camera, superior sound quality speakers and microphones let you achieve full presence effect. You want to be closer to your loved ones while you are away. Maybe your son needs help being home alone. Or almost at home, because Branto is self-powered and cellular connected. On the edge of the working day, you are always in a rush. You don't need to ride home to see how Nanny manages your little daughter. With Branto, it takes a few seconds to be at home. Tell Nanny how to dress up your child for a walk, and with the help of Branto bit sensors, you will know where the window is left open and have the nanny close it before they leave for a walk in the park. You can even amuse your dog. Turn on his favorite TV channel. Would you like your smart home meet you with a pleasant coolness after a long working day? Welcome to the Branto family.
This is your computer, your tablet, and your smartphone. And these are the things that need your protection. All of us use the internet to read news, shop, communicate, and share every day. But are you aware that internet companies are invisibly profiling and tracking you and your family with every single click you make? Google, Facebook, and other internet companies know everything about you, where you live, who you work for, and how much money you make. They know who your friends are, your traveling habits, religious beliefs, health status, and even your most intimate desires. They literally know everything about you.
Our vision is an internet where all users have full control over their data again. We want an internet where you decide whether you want to pay with your data or rather keep your profile secret. That's why we founded eBlocker.
eBlocker is a small device that easily connects to any existing home network. Once connected, it automatically configures itself to your home setup. No software installation or user configuration is necessary. It works with every connected device, whether it's your computer, tablet, smart TV, phone, game console, or your new watch. The privacy of you and your family is immediately protected on all of your devices. Using eBlocker, you have full control of who is profiling you and whether you want to see ads. One click, your decision. eBlocker also integrates with the Tor network, so your real IP address will never be visible if you don't want it to. Combining tracker blocking, ad blocking, and the ability to conceal your IP into a single and very easy-to-use device. That's eBlocker.
It's 2015. We all have a smartphone. It's cool. It's convenient. But at times it gets full. At other times, you need to send someone a big file, something most of us do via USB. Just one problem. Smartphones don't have USB. So, what are your options? Facebook? Email? Sure, you could use a cloud or Google Drive, but come on. We're talking about smartphones here, not PCs. None of these solutions are convenient when you're out and about. So, we've built a better solution, the NextDrive Plug, a super smart micro IoT computer that can easily make any USB device wireless and connect it to your smartphone, especially devices like USB, webcams, hard drives, and CD-ROMs. With the NextDrive Plug, you can build your own secure cloud by simply plugging in a hard drive. Backing up photos and sharing photos and files with your friends and family has never been easier. Store as many files as you like with no monthly fees. What about a webcam? Check this out. Connect your NextDrive Plug to a webcam and suddenly, you can use your smartphone to keep an eye on your home, pet, or even significant other from anywhere on the planet. Even the North Pole. What about CD-ROMs and audio CDs? Connect a CD-ROM drive to your NextDrive Plug and you can either stream your audio CD to your phone or directly rip it to MP3 format wirelessly. Looks like it's time to bust out that CD collection again. See what I mean? It's easy and it works. This is the NextDrive Plug.